Pipeline admins. Welcome to Quick Add Form. I got here by going to Settings, Data Entry, and Quick Add Forms. You can find Quick Add by going here to this Add button here and clicking Quick Add. Pop up this form. If your workflow often means adding a person, a company, and a deal all at once, Quick Add is for you. Otherwise, you can add a person in, a company, and a deal in separately. Oftentimes, maybe you're adding a new person who belongs to a company. You work that person as a lead. Once they become qualified, you create a deal. However, if your workflow means adding all three of those at once, you can do it within this Quick Add form. With Quick Add, you can focus on the most important information first and then fill in the details later. It works just like the Add Edit forms. You can go back to that video, but you just click drag and drop to reorder the fields. Again, we're in the deal. You can do it for company as well, or for person. Maybe we want to put the work email above the work phone. Simply drag and drop there. You can also add in new fields. Maybe you want to add in category. Again, drag and drop or hide those. Again, those hidden fields aren't gone. They're always accessible if you need them. Quick Add keeps your data entry fast, organized, and tailored for your workflow.